Imagine this. You're messaging a friend in Mandarin while updating your grocery list in English, and your AI assistant not only keeps up, but anticipates your needs. Now, imagine it goes further. It senses frustration in your tone, offers solutions before you even ask, or crafts a heartfelt letter that captures exactly what you want to say. It's not just futuristic, it's already happening, transforming how we connect, work, and live. How does this extraordinary technology work, and what does it mean for your life? Stay with us as we uncover the science and magic behind how machines are learning to speak human. Human language is beautiful, but chaotic. It's filled with slang, idioms, and layers of meaning that can change entirely based on context. Yet somehow machines are beginning to decode it. The secret lies in natural language processing, or NLP, the technology that enables chatbots, translation tools, and voice assistants to make sense of human communication. But here's the twist: machines don't understand language the way humans do. Instead, they recognize patterns. The real breakthrough came with transformers, a revolutionary type of AI model that changed how machines process language. Think of transformers as detectives piecing together clues from across a conversation to solve the mystery of meaning. Take a simple phrase like, "I need a bank." Does this refer to a financial institution or the edge of a river? Without context, it's impossible to know. Transformers analyze surrounding words, and sometimes even entire conversations, to infer what you mean. This ability to understand context is what makes tools like Google Translate and chatbots feel so intuitive. Unlike older methods that processed language word by word, transformers scan entire texts, identifying relationships between words, phrases, and paragraphs. This innovation unlocked a new era for NLP, making it possible for machines to process language with a complexity that was once unimaginable. For NLP to work, machines need to learn from us. Every book, email, and tweet, every fragment of human communication becomes part of the training process. By analyzing billions of sentences, AI models develop an understanding of the patterns and structures of language. However, this reliance on data comes with challenges. Machines inherit the biases present in their training material. If historical texts associate certain professions with specific genders, the AI will reflect those patterns. In one alarming case, a hiring algorithm trained on biased data favored male candidates over equally qualified women. Efforts are ongoing to create more diverse and inclusive data sets, but the scale of the challenge is immense. Despite this, the potential of NLP is awe-inspiring. Imagine a medical AI that detects early warning signs of rare diseases by analyzing patient records, or an educational app that adapts complex lessons to each student's unique learning style. Maria, a nurse in a remote Peruvian village, used to face a daunting challenge. Her patients often spoke indigenous languages she didn't understand. Today, with AI-powered translation tools, Maria can communicate seamlessly, providing care to those she once struggled to help. This isn't just technology, it's transformation. NLP is also reshaping industries in remarkable ways. During natural disasters, AI analyzes millions of social media posts to identify areas most in need of aid, directing life-saving resources to where they're needed most. In customer service, chatbots resolve issues instantly, cutting down wait times and reducing frustration. And in accessibility, NLP tools help visually impaired individuals by converting written content into audio, making the world more navigable. Even creativity isn't off-limits. AI-generated novels, poetry, and screenplays are raising new questions. Is the machine simply mimicking us, or is it developing its own form of artistry? Either way, it's clear that the boundaries of creativity are being redefined. For all its brilliance, NLP still has limits. Ambiguity is one of the hardest challenges. Consider the sentence, "I saw her duck." Without context, it's unclear whether this refers to an action or a bird. Humans use intuition to resolve such ambiguities. Machines often falter. Emotion presents another frontier. While NLP can recognize emotional words like angry or happy, it doesn't truly feel these emotions. Sarcasm and humor in particular often trip up algorithms. For instance, the phrase, "Oh great, another meeting," might be interpreted as positive because of the word great, missing the obvious frustration. These challenges remind us that for all its advancements, AI is still a tool. It calculates probabilities. It doesn't think or feel. But with each breakthrough, the line between human and machine understanding blurs just a little more. What if AI didn't just understand us, but helped unite us? Picture a world where people from different countries collaborate effortlessly, each speaking their native language while AI handles real-time translation. Or imagine a classroom where students from diverse backgrounds share ideas without a single word lost in translation. This isn't a far-off dream. It's the next step in NLP's evolution. Beyond breaking barriers, NLP is paving the way for entirely new possibilities. Researchers are exploring hybrid languages designed for seamless communication between humans and machines. Imagine astronauts working with AI on Mars, using a language optimized for speed and precision. But with great power comes great responsibility. In 2023, an AI-generated deepfake article sparked panic by mimicking the style of a trusted journalist. This incident underscores the ethical challenges of NLP. If AI can amplify truth, it can also amplify lies. How we manage this balance will define its legacy. Natural language processing isn't just a technological milestone. It's a mirror reflecting humanity's creativity, complexity, and contradictions. Every word we speak, every story we share, feeds into these systems, shaping what they learn and how they respond. But this isn't just about machines, it's about people. NLP is breaking barriers, amplifying voices, and creating opportunities that once seemed unimaginable. From empowering Maria in her remote village to revolutionizing industries worldwide, it's not just changing how we communicate. It's changing who we can become. The next time you use a voice assistant or translation app, take a moment to marvel at what's happening behind the scenes. Billions of calculations, guided by decades of research, make that interaction possible. It's not magic, it's science. But in its ability to connect and inspire, it feels like magic. How has AI surprised or helped you recently? Have you experienced a moment where technology broke down a barrier or made the impossible possible? Share your story in the comments below. And if this journey into the world of NLP sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's explore the future of communication together.